Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Atlas, Lionel, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas has released its Winter 2025 Premier Catalog. To guarantee delivery, pre-orders are due at your local Atlas retailer by February 26, 2025. Items include new Premier Line GE U30C diesels with MTH ProtoSound 3. Models are available in Delaware and Hudson, Detroit Edison, which I've always liked because they're GE units wearing EMD demonstrator colors, Gulford X Detroit Edison, Louisville and Nashville with the GE Extra Reliability Scheme, Sioux Line, Union Pacific, and limited edition CSX L&N Patch and limited edition Rock Island. Three-rail models will navigate O42 and larger curves and come with a suggested list price of $679.95. EMD GP40 diesels with ProtoSounds 3 are available in new Atlas paint schemes. These models are available in Burlington Northern, Chesapeake in Ohio, Illinois Central, Metra, MBTA, Utah Transportation Authority, and Wisconsin Central. These models are available in three-rail only and will navigate O31 and larger curves. The suggested list price is $659.95. GE-840CW diesels with ProtoSounds 3 in new 4 Atlas paint schemes are also available. The models are available in BNSF, Canadian National, Conrail, CSX, Norfolk Southern with Conrail-style cab, Union Pacific, and a limited edition Genesee and Wyoming model. Three-rail models will navigate O36 and larger curves and come with a suggested list price of $499.95. Atlas has announced new paint schemes on its scale ACF 2-bay center flow hoppers. Models include BNSF, CSX, Norfolk and Western, Rio Grande, and Winchester and Western. The models come with a suggested retail price of $84.95 each, and there is also a special 3-pack of Chicago and Northwestern cars for $269.85. The cars will navigate O31 and larger curves. There is also a new molten steel hot bottle car with flickering lights simulating a hot steel load. These cars are available in plain black, Bethlehem Steel, Rouge Steel, US Steel, ArcelorMittal, and ISG. The cars will navigate O31 and larger curves and have a list price of $99.95 each. There are new paint schemes for the 40-foot modern tank car, including CAIX Elephant Fertilizer, CSOX Drive Safely, Essex Chemical, Arco, GW Sugar, Royster, and Magma. The cars will navigate O31 and larger curves and come with the suggested retail price of $89.95 each. There are new paint schemes for the massive 33,000-gallon tank cars as well. Paint schemes include ACPX, Tamac, FMC Chemicals, Suburban Propane, Virginian Petroleum, Wanda Petroleum, and Norfolk Southern Safety. The cars will navigate O45 and larger curves and come with a suggested list price of $69.95. There are new color schemes for the Masterline 60-foot auto parts boxcars as well. Color schemes include the Andersons, Arkansas and Missouri, UP Rock Island Patch, Southern, Norfolk and Western, CSX, Erie Lackawanna, Detroit Toledo and Ironton, and Union Pacific. The cars will navigate O45 and larger curves and come with a suggested list price of $74.95 each. New paint schemes are available in the Trainman flat cars with load. New colors include Alaska Railroad, Bessemer and Lake Erie, Boston and Maine, Central of New Jersey, Elgin Joliet and Eastern, Monon, Morrison Knudsen, and Army Transportation Corps. The cars will navigate O31 and larger curves and come with a suggested list price of $72.95. Atlas is also distributing 1/43rd scale military vehicles from Motor City Classics. And Atlas is releasing a line of Coca-Cola vehicles from Motor City Classics in various scales. Lionel Trains has released its 2025 Volume 1 Big Book Catalog. Follow the link in the video description to an in-depth video about this catalog. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive U.S. Space Force Vision Line Commodore Vanderbilt steamer for Legacy Station. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025 and come with an early order price of $1619.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 premier O-Scale 462 USRA Heavy Pacifics steam locomotives in 11 color schemes next summer. Each item will be limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in July 2025. Models include New York Central, Reading and Northern, Milwaukee Road, Santa Fe, Baltimore and Ohio, Erie, Southern Pacific, Rutland, Christmas, Lackawanna, and New York Central Pacemaker. The steamers come with a list price of $1399.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale RS1 diesel locomotive in Sioux Line colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $379.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale RS1 diesel in Rock Island colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $379.99. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King RS1 diesel in Grand Trunk colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The model will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price is $379.99. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-Scale 50-foot PS1 boxcar in Sioux Line colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will be available in 4 unique car numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2025. The early order price is $71.95. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O-Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.